Now turn it. Egg is ready. Keep aside. Today I am preparing egg masala. Let's quickly take you through the ingredients. For this recipe, we will need 6 boiled eggs cut into halves, 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of butter, oil for cooking, 1 cup tomato puree, chopped coriander or cilantro. Apart from that, we need the following spices: 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. If you do not have chicken masala, then you can replace this with any curry powder. 2 black cardamom, 4 cloves, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's start our cooking. I have already heated a pan in my workstation. Put some oil. Oil has become hot. First we will fry the boiled eggs. While frying, put the yellow side below so that after frying it will be sealed and the yellow part will not come out easily. Put little bit of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder will give you nice red color. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn it. Now turn it. Egg is ready. Keep aside. Now we'll prepare our gravy. Put butter, add cloves, black cardamom, and chopped onion. Fry till the onion is translucent. Put garlic paste, here I have added garlic paste. Give it a mix. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add tomato puree. Add all the spices. Add salt according to your taste. Add sugar. Now cover the lid and cook. The oil is separated from the masala. Now our masala is ready. We'll put chopped coriander leaves. Now I'll put the fried egg. Now we are almost done. I'm going to switch up the stove.